Let's see here. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Bro, what? Where am I? Hold up. What? Hello? Bro, why is it cold? Bro, it's freezing right now. What is this? Whose motorcycle is this? Hello? Oh, I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good, man. Thank you. I'm not good. Whose motorcycle is this? My phone's on it. Alright. If it's no one's, then I'm gonna take it out for a spin. Man, this thing's awesome. Bro, what? My turn signal is on. Is this my bike? The turn signal's on. It has to be my bike, right? Okay, how do you do this thing? How do you do this? Oh! Hold up. That actually sounds amazing. Let's see here. Nice little M4 slip-on. I don't want to rev bomb in front of her, but now I can, I guess. I'm gonna get a flame tune. Is that electric? Yeah, it's kind of busy over here. Alright. Sounds good. Okay, how do you do this, man? I guess I gotta go into first, right? Oh, I almost dropped the button. It's been a while, guys. It's been a while. I'm just gonna go. Alright, I don't know if I remember how to do this, but we're gonna try not to fuck up today, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man, it feels good to be back on the bike. What's good, you crazy fucks? Hope you guys had a nice holiday, a nice break, and Happy New Year to all of you. At the time I'm filming this, it is the weekend after New Year's. So Happy New Year to everyone. I'm going out for a little ride. It is a little bit chilly right now, but I need to get this motorcycle out and about. It's just sitting, so I'm gonna go for a small ride today. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys as well. Ignore a lot of my responsibilities for today and talk to you crazy fucks. What's up, man? I haven't really been filming and doing this YouTube thing. Is this thing on? Yeah, it's on. It's been cold, bruh. It's been cold. I know I told you guys that I was gonna ride throughout the winter, but it's hard. I'm telling you right now, it is tough as fuck. I haven't really been riding, so sorry guys if I kept you waiting. The thing is, I was spending some time with family too. Oh god. Oh god. I'm spending some time with my family too, which is really good because it was the holidays and all of that, so I was eating good and spending some time with fams, you know what I mean? It was good to kind of disconnect a little bit. But how y'all doing, man? If you guys are still riding and from out of like New York State, let me know in the comments below where you're from and if you're still riding, because for me bro, it's been so cold. Like I literally had no motivation to ride at all. It feels so good to be back on the bike, bro. You don't understand. I have been using my Jeep a lot this past couple of weeks, or I guess like I don't even know how long was I gone for, like 2 months, bro. 2 months I've been kind of just rolling with the Jeep. So okay, this is awkward. Thank you for not making it so awkward. Let's see here. Fuck. Alright, well, we got a drop in. That was fucking embarrassing. Oh my god. Well, a little rusty, you know, but I think we're, for the most part, we're all good. Man, unreal, bro. I grabbed a handful of front brake, bro. A handful of front brake. I don't want to ride anymore. I need to practice my slow maneuvers because you know what I mean? That's what happens. But I think we're all good in the hood, so we're just gonna keep on rolling. Oh my god, I can't believe I dropped my bike, bruh. I literally can't believe it. Actually, I can believe it, but oh boy, it's on the same side, bruh. What is going on, man? All right, what was I saying before I dropped my bike? Oh my god, I don't know if I'm leaving that in, bro. But you know, mistakes happen. That was such a noob fall too. What a noob drop, bro. Yeah, I missed you guys. I missed you guys a little bit, a little tiny bit, but we're back, at least for today. Right now, we are gonna ride a little bit. Hopefully we don't fuck up because I haven't done this in a while, so you know what I mean? So let's see how this goes. Woohoo! So yeah, let me know in the comments below where you guys are from and if y'all are still riding, because for me, I'm up in New York and I am not, for the most part. I found some time today to ride, but it's like 40, what is it, like 44 I think? Or some shit like that. It's 44 right now and it's still a little bit cold for me, bro. So it's still a little bit chilly for me. That's why I'm wearing my North Face over, you know, a sweatshirt. I mean, full gear, full gear. You know, it's just squidding around today. Oh my god, bruh. Yo, this truck is just emitting all sorts of cancerous gases. Do I know how to like rev match still? Oh, I do. Oh! Bro, I need to get around this truck because I'm pretty sure that I'm not supposed to be inhaling all of this stupid shit. Also, let's see what kind of bikers are out today, man. It's not really too cold, but it's also not really hot, so bro, what is this, man? Like, I have asthma and I'm not supposed to be breathing that shit in. I should get around this truck, bro. Like, that is just ridiculous how much shit is coming out of that truck. That is just actually ridiculous, man. Whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys had a good holiday. I've been spending it with family and shit. So family, some new friends, old friends, new friends, all kinds of friends. Oh my god, bruh. Wow. Amount of power that I forgot how much power this bike has. Like, I completely forgot, bruh. Who here got a bike for the holidays? Raise your hand or let me know in the comments below. I'm always so curious as what you guys got, what you guys asked for. I'm sure some of you crazy fucks asked for a motorcycle, and who got it? Who got it? Which one of y'all got it? Let me know in the comments below, man. I'm always interested to hear who got a motorcycle for Christmas or for the holidays. But for me, I didn't get much, you know. I'm getting older And honestly, I'm happy with socks. Like, if I get socks, I am so happy with socks, man. You have no idea. Oh, I'm out of gas, bro. I'm out of gas. I'm just gonna get gas from here. Fuck it. Okay. Okay. Getting faster at these gas runs, ladies and gentlemen. Let me just strap in my phone, because if I don't, this thing's gonna go flying. Okay. 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 Alright, so let's go. What have I been up to, guys? I just cleaned my chain actually the other day. Was gonna make a video about it, but it was so messy, bro. It was like my third time ever cleaning my chain. It was such a messy process that I don't think I'm gonna upload it. It was embarrassing. Alright, where shall we go, ladies and gentlemen? The possibilities are endless. I guess we'll go, oh my god, there's so much traffic. We'll hop on the parkway for a little bit, talk to you guys. Oh man, I forgot how to lean, man. I forgot a lot of things in riding a motorcycle, bro. It's been so long. It's been like 2 months, I think. My shifts are still smooth though. I'll give myself that. They're still smooth. Woo! Man, it feels so good. I don't know, have you guys ridden a motorcycle after like a couple of months off? I'm sure y'all have, man. It feels good to be like on the motorcycle again, you know? Hopefully it doesn't rain. Got a girl driving a Camaro. Good for her. Alright, let's see. Let's see what we got here. I stood up and I almost came off the bike, bro. Holy! What a rush. I forgot how nice highway runs are too. Yeah, it's actually cold now, bro. What a rush, man. What a rush. I don't want to lean too much because I think my tires, I mean the road's cold. My tires are probably warm by now. Oh my god, what is this? Oh! Oh, it hurts. Running over that puddle hurts. Alright, let's just chill, guys. Relax. Let's just chill. Let's just chill. I actually want to go to a parking lot and practice my slow maneuvers because if you saw the beginning of this video, I dropped my bike. I'm a little bit rusty, man. Well, shut up. Everyone shut up. I'm a little bit rusty. What are you gonna do? I can't wait to try my wheelies. I'm sure I can't get that front tire up again. I'm actually so sure that I cannot do it. Like, I am positive, almost positive. The regression when you don't practice something, guys, is it's there. It's there. So, you know, if you haven't been riding for a while, chances are you're rusty as fuck. You know, that's a saying that everyone uses, right? Like, when they don't do something for a while, they're like, oh, I'm a little bit rusty. It's true, bro. It happens. I haven't seen anyone out, bro. When I was in my Jeep, I always saw like, I don't know, 5 motorcycle riders out. Now that I'm on my bike, I see no one. What is this, man? What is this, bruh? I'll tell you what though, when I dropped my bike, I thought I was gonna pick that shit back up. This is what I've been working out for, man. And I am not stopping until I can. Once the bike is horizontal, I'm not stopping. This is what I trained for, ladies and gentlemen. Once it's horizontal like that, I want to be able to pick that shit back up. I almost did, bruh. Almost did. Laid her down nice and gently though, so that's good. Oh my god, what is this, bro? Is that a DeLorean? Let me see. I don't know what it is. What the fuck is this, bro? It looks like a Hot Wheel car. It looks like a car that I would get in a Hot Wheels box. Oh my god, bro. He's going too fast in these corners. He's going too fast in these corners, bro. Why is he pulling so hard? I don't know what this is. Day Tomato. Ooh, I like it, man. Nice car. Bro, he was pulling hard. I almost fucked up there. Alright, anyway, guys, I'm gonna head home now from here. So, if you guys like the content, man, I don't know how often I'm gonna be making videos, man. Right now, I am drooling right now from the cold, bro. And I am drooling right now from the cold. So I don't know how much, how many videos I'm gonna be able to put out during the winter. Is he? He tried it. He tried it. No, that guy was pulling hard in that corner, man. I was fucked up there. But anyway, guys, if you like the content, leave a like. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and welcome, you crazy fuck. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. I try not to die today. Alright, peace.
So don't leave me alone.
No. Hey, that's the dealership where I bought this bike. I can't even talk how cold it is, how cold I am, bruh. I am so cold I can't even talk.